Alright, back with another video on the GR Corolla, and today we're going to continue on with the carbon fiber from Extreme Online Store. So today we have the side vents. So if we take a look at one, here they are. So obviously still have the raw carbon fiber on the back. They don't finish that, but you got the nice clear coated carbon fiber on the faces. So pretty much looking at this, it's nice to always see your parts before you install them. So looking at this, here's the vent, and this is what we're going to be replacing. So it looks like there's just going to be 4 clips, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're going to want to yank on this. So this is the worst part of working on a new car, not wanting to break the clips. So you should just want to give it a tug. Alright, so you're gonna want to tug straight back. I thought you might have wanted to tug at an angle, but back is going to be exactly where you want to do it. So let's compare this to the new one. Looking at the old one versus the new one, I could tell they have a little bit of like double-sided taped foam. I'm gonna see if I could just peel this stuff off and then just replace it on here. Just as a secondary precaution, I'm gonna assume this probably has a chance of vibrating and hitting the car a little bit. So, but with how this is, it's not stuck to the car too well, so. And it comes right off. Definitely not necessary, but it definitely will not hurt, so. Now that we got that, now we're going to have to swap out these clips. They should slide out. Oh, there goes one. So I got one of them out. Alright, so I got all 4 clips swapped over, as well as these foam pieces. These things are definitely not that easy to get out or into here. So I mean, but once they're in here, they kind of move freely, but they are kind of a pain to get in and out, especially if you're being careful not to break anything. So let's go over the car, give everything a quick clean, and then slap one of these in and see what it looks like. So if you guys are interested, pretty much this is just like a duct that goes through here, and I'm pretty sure it connects to this duct right here, as well as that duct breathes through here and then also feeds through here to let air out. Alright, fit like a glove. Doing the second one, I did notice a big difference in trying to remove them using a pry tool like this, where you can kind of just wedge underneath them and pry them. Just watch out that they don't go flying around the whole room, because that happened to me on my first one. So just kind of hold your hand and do it lightly, so that way you can kind of expect it. But now that we got the second one swapped over, let's go throw this on the car and see how they finally look. Just got them both installed, and they actually look really good. So compared to the black one, the carbon fiber gives it just a little bit more detail and depth versus the piano black one. I'm not sure. I think if you have the core, I think these are a matte black, not mistaken. So, but definitely an awesome upgrade, and they go very well with all the other carbon fiber bits from Extreme Online Store. So if you guys are interested, I will drop a link down below to them. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are new, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.